Maria Lourdes Milu Aranal Sereno, born July 2, 1960, Maria Lourdes Ponzalan Aranal, is a Filipina lawyer and judge who served as de facto Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines from 2012 until 2018. Appointed as an Associate Justice by President Benigno Aquino III in August 2010, she became the second youngest person at the age of 52 to assume the post of Chief Justice in August 2012. She is considered to be the first woman head of a judicial branch in any Southeast Asian sovereign state. She was removed from office by way of an 8-6 decision by the Supreme Court over a quo warranto petition, rendering her appointment as Chief Justice null and void. Sereno had faced criticism from the administration of President Rodrigo Duterte for expressing her criticism of his Philippine drug war, and some saw the petition as politically motivated. At the same time she was removed from office, Sereno had also been facing an impeachment trial prior to the granting of the petition, but after its granting, such trial became moot and was never scheduled. Sereno was born on July 2, 1960, in Manila to Margarito Aranal of Siasi, Sulu, and Soldad Ponzalan of Bay, Laguna, who served as a public school teacher. Sereno graduated salutatorian from Communing Elementary School in 1972 and with honors from Quezon City High School in 1976. A scholarship allowed her to apply at the Ateneo de Manila University, where she had the options of taking either political science or economics. She opted for the Bachelor of Arts in Economics and graduated in 1980. She finished her Bachelor of Laws degree from the College of Law at the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1984, graduating as cum laude and class valedictorian, and took the bar exam that year. She was admitted to the practice of law the following year. She earned a Master of Arts in Economics in 1992 from the University of the Philippines School of Economics of UP Diliman. Thereafter, she earned a Master of Laws from the University of Michigan Law School in 1993. In August 2010, Sereno was appointed Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, its 169th member and the first appointee to the High Court by President Benigno Aquino III. Sereno, the 13th woman appointed as Justice of the Supreme Court, was the youngest appointee to the court since Manuel Moran in 1945, until Marvic Leonin surpassed her at the age of 49 in 2012. On August 24, 2012, President Aquino announced his appointment of Sereno as the new Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, replacing Renato Corona, who was removed from office in May 2012 after being convicted in an impeachment trial. Sereno voted against several of President Rodrigo Duterte's proposals, such as declaring martial law and burying Ferdinand and Marcos in a cemetery reserved for national heroes. Sereno also took a stance on Duterte's Philippine drug war when she called for due process for those included in Duterte's drug list, a list of people alleged to be involved in the illegal drug trade. Senior Justice Antonio Carpio assumed the post of Chief Justice in an acting capacity starting May 14, 2018, following Sereno's removal from office. As a result of Republic v. Sereno, Maria Lourdes Sereno is no longer considered the 24th Chief Justice of the Philippines, as the court ruled that her appointment was never legal but null and void ab initio. Thus, on August 25, 2018, Teresita de Castro was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as the new and de jure 24th successor of Renato Corona and first female Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. The Court of Tax Appeals, in a 45-page decision dated May 14, 2024, penned by the two-member Court of Tax Appeals Special Second Division, Justices Lenny Cui David and Jean-Marie Bacaro Villena, granted Sereno's petition for review. The tax court voided the Bureau of Internal Revenue SP 8.8 million tax assessment 2011 to 2016. Following her removal, Sereno continued to be active in public policy and advocacy. She currently serves as the chairperson of the Legal Advisory and Public Policy Review Commission of the Philippine Council of Evangelical Churches, where she focuses on legal and policy issues affecting the Filipino community. Maria Lourdes Sereno is married to Mario Jose E. Sereno of Davao City. They have two children, Maria Sofia and Jose Lorenzo. In a televised public speech in April 2018, Duterte addressed Sereno thus, "So I'm putting you on notice that I am now your enemy. And you have to be out of the Supreme Court," after Sereno accused him of interfering with the case. On August 30, 2017, at least 25 members of the House of Representatives began the impeachment process against then-Chief Justice Sereno. In addition, Solicitor General Jose Calita filed a quo warranto petition to invalidate her appointment as Chief Justice over alleged lack of integrity. Both the impeachment proceedings and quo warranto petition cites Sereno's alleged failure to properly declare her statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth (SALN), and was also responsible for tax misdeclarations and unauthorized expenses. Sereno has questioned the quo warranto petition, saying that she could only be legally removed through impeachment. After an impeachment process against her began, Sereno took an indefinite leave on March 1, 2018, but maintained she will not resign. She returned from leave shortly after the rest of the Supreme Court made a decision on the quo warranto petition. Deciding on the quo warranto petition en banc, the Supreme Court justices voted to remove Sereno from the court on May 11, 2018, by a vote of 8-6. Sereno filed a motion for consideration, but the High Court denied with finality Sereno's motion for reconsideration for lack of merit on June 19, 2018, voting 8-6, upholding the quo warranto decision. The ruling also states that no further pleading will be entertained, as well as order for immediate entry of judgment. Various members of the opposition, notably Vice President Leni Robredo, Senator Risa Hontiveros, Senator Antonio Trillans, and Akbayan Party List Representative Gio Tingson, condemned the ouster of Sereno. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.